Hello friends, my name is Victoria with Do Tell a Bell, and today I'm painting my own watercolor note cards using metallic paints on deckled-edged cardstock and matching envelopes. I just love the crafty look of this paper. The design features simple, elegant botanical leaves, which I lightly sketched using a graphite pencil. If you'd like me to create outlines of this design for you to follow along, leave me a comment below. I'm using a fine liner brush for the details and layering metallic silver and turquoise paints to achieve a luminous effect. First, I paint a set of leaves with the silver paint. Then I drop in metallic turquoise to add depth and a touch of vibrancy. You can find a full list of materials in the description area below. These handmade note cards are perfect for bridesmaid proposal cards, wedding thank you notes, heartfelt gifts, or your own personal stationery. Here I'm adding a bit of turquoise blue to the stem. And if painting isn't your thing, you can order hand-painted note cards directly from my Etsy shop. See the link in the description. I'd love to create something special for you. Now stay tuned for my tips on painting the envelopes. They're made with a slightly different paper, which presents a unique challenge when using watercolor. This part of the video is sped up because I'm repeating the same techniques on each branch and leaf. For the envelopes, I use a more concentrated pigment, less water and more paint to prevent bleeding, which can happen as you can see with the stem. But don't worry, it dried beautifully and the mistake isn't noticeable. I also dab in some metallic turquoise on the envelope for consistency with the note card design. If you'd like to join me for fun, relaxing projects like this, sign up for my Color Me Calm workshop. We meet every Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Zoom for live tutorials and creative sessions. And if you're in the Jupiter area, come visit us at the new studio for the visual arts. It's a wonderful way to unwind and explore your artistic side. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you'd try this project or have any questions. Remember to like, subscribe, and share for more creative inspiration.